Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Cabbage, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Cabbage app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it and create an account. Enter your email address and choose a secure password. Next, you'll need to link your bank account for seamless transaction tracking. Follow the prompts to securely connect your financial institution. After linking your bank account, set up your profile by entering your income details. Define your monthly expenses by adding categories such as rent, groceries, and utilities. Input the average amount you spend in each category. Cabbage will analyze your income and expenses to create a personalized budget. Take a moment to review the recommended budget allocations. Adjust them if necessary to better fit your lifestyle. Once you're satisfied with your budget, save your settings. Use the dashboard to monitor your spending habits regularly. Cabbage provides real-time updates, so check back often to stay on track. If you overspend in any category, Cabbage will notify you. Make adjustments in your spending to adhere to your budget. At the end of each month, review your financial performance. Identify areas where you can improve and make necessary changes for next month. Utilize the insights provided by Cabbage to better understand your finances. With consistency, you'll develop better budgeting habits. Stay committed, and you'll see progress over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.